Hey you guys, another video from Angel on the Go. Walmart right now is in the process of putting all of their Christmas decorations and gift sets together, and I want to show you a couple things. Look at this, you guys. They have this Reese's peanut butter Santa. This thing is 1 pound. Look at how big this is. Look at this.
I think, you know,
that is huge.
I think that's a bunch of little ones. It'd be dope if it was like a big
is
bar.
it?
I think so. Yeah, snack size.
Oh, you guys, I thought it was a big one. It's a bunch of little ones.
I wish it was one. I'll get that.
Can you imagine if this was a big one? It'll be like, or this way.
Yeah, that way.
Oh, look at. So this one, it looks like a big one, but it's actually snack size. And look at this, you guys.
That's official right there.
Is that a big one?
That's a big one.
Can you imagine eating this? Look at you guys, seasoned ingredients. This is a Hershey's milk chocolate 3-pound bar. 3 pounds, look at this. So if you guys are looking for something like this, these are items that I'll probably get. This one right here, just for a gag gift. That's about 20 bucks.
If that's a gag gift, then
that's a gag gift, yeah.
I'll take it.
All right, so far we got the Reese's, they got the big Kit Kat, they got the Hershey's. Look down here. Look at how big these Kisses are. These things are huge. These are, it says 12 ounce. So they got the green and red. And I've never seen this one before. Look at this, you guys. It's the Twinkies. And it's a baking kit. So it includes the yellow cake mix, vanilla cream filling mix, cake pan, and instructions. Look, you can make a big Twinkie.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at that. It is super nice. And if you come down here, look at this big gummy, babe. Look. This is a cherry gummy bear. Oh, it's a pound. Super big. What color you want?
Blue.
Blue? All right, so they have red, which is cherry, and they have this blue raspberry. Look how big this thing is. Look at that. I mean, who's going to eat that? Okay, this is what I'm going to get, you guys. Look at that. Margaritaville. Oh, don't they have a Margaritaville out here?
Uh-huh.
We haven't been yet.
I think we have.
This would be a great giveaway for one of our subscribers.
See that?
Oh, who wants this? Comment below. It's a gift set. Look, it comes with the margarita mix. It has the lime salt, the 2 glasses. This is nice. If you guys are looking for something like that, it's only 20 bucks. Look at this whiskey serving set. Look at that. They have the cocktail set, global cocktails. So right now we're just showing you guys what Walmart has as holiday gift sets. Look at this. Oh wow, look at that Nestle Quick gift set. So it comes with the tumbler cups, the spoons, chocolate syrup. That'd be great for kids. And look, it's only $9.46. Not bad, you guys. Okay, this is my husband right here. This is about $15.98, about $16. Look at that. You get the 2 ice cream mugs, you get the spoon, the cookies. What's that down here? Oh, it's a Dunkin' set. Look at this, you guys. So again, only on Angel on the Go, we are showing you new items at Walmart. This right here is the movie night for 2. That is cute. Look at the top, you guys. That's super cute. I love this packaging. I mean, even though you guys can get these at the Dollar Tree. That's it. What happened?
They got a dunking set, so they gave you the cup with like a thing to put the cookies in.
Oh, I don't know. That's kind of weak.
Oh, it even gives you a thing to dunk.
Yeah, you dunk it.
So
What, you want that?
The old school of just dipping it in is just...
These kids got it easy. So it looks like you guys dunk the Oreos like this. You guys know I'm getting this for my husband. But back to this one, you guys know you can get this at the Dollar Tree. But it's still cute, and it's only $12.98, so not bad. Oh, let's see what else they got. Ooh, hot sauces. I can't do this. It's too hot for me. These are hot sauces. Let me go over here. Look at that. This is Coca-Cola. Oh, it comes with the glasses. Look at that. This one's about $16.24. Let me go back over here. Ooh, Hell's Kitchen. You want this, Manny? Yeah, right. That's too hot for me. They got the Budweiser barbecue sauces. That looks good. What's moonshine? What is that? Drink?
Moonshine is... That's like a bottle of moonshine, but that ain't no moonshine.
I don't know what moonshine is.
Oh, it's moonshine inspired.
Oh, I don't know, you guys. That's $9.98. Look at this one. You could do a level up hot sauce challenge. Beat the heat. So it comes with that little thing. Oh, this is cute down here. Look at this. A soup gift set, you guys. This is super cute. Look at that. Tomato soup, chicken soup, potato soup, vegetable soup. So you get 4, and oh, you get chicken noodle soup mix. That is super cute. I love this. Yeah, that is nice. Look at the...
Oh, it gives you the recipe on it.
Yeah, well, I'm not cooking, but I like the little containers that come in, like little glasses. All right, game time. Pepper jack, smoke something. Oh, you get the sausage over here. So 2 of them. It has this little... that's kind of dangerous right there. All right, that's about 17 bucks. You guys can still see that the shelves are kind of empty, but Walmart is gonna fill these up really fast. What's this? Bubble tea. I don't know what this is, you guys. Make your own bubble tea. I have no clue, but that's $11.98. The cocoa mug gift sets. These are only $5, you guys. Not a bad price. All right. Here's my speed right here. They got the, ooh, what is that? Okay, sorry, you guys, I got distracted. Look at the Starbucks. These are the gift sets for Starbucks this year at Walmart. Oh, you guys, these are cute. Look at this. These are huge. Let me take one out. Look at how big this cup is, you guys. And it comes filled with Starbucks goodies. This is great. All right, so you guys got our P.O. box down below. Make sure you guys send Angel on the go one of these for Christmas. And let me come over here. So I'm gonna go fast over here, but it looks like they're putting out gift sets. These are cute for kids. These are like little bath bombs for kids. And you guys know on Angel on the Go, we're actually gonna wait until all this stuff hits 90%. So this is my husband's favorite aisle right here. And we're actually gonna go ahead and just wait until it goes down to 90. Look at this right here, this foot massager. Oh wow. Look at that. All right, you guys, while I'm filming the Christmas aisle right here, my husband's on the Walmart app. And sometimes when we're in the store, my husband likes to go on the app and see what's on sale in the store that we're at. So we're gonna show you guys something. This is the first on Angel on the Go. Look at this, you guys. My husband's been looking. Look at that, a 50-inch on class 4K. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
A 50?
50.
What?
It's whether or not it's in stock or if it's here or not.
Okay.
You know, sometimes the app is off, but sometimes it's not.
$21 for a 50-inch? Okay,
Yes.
Okay, you guys.
Let's go.
Wait, not. Hold on. Wait, you gotta keep it still. On 50-inch class 4K LED TV, $21. And it says in the store. So we're actually gonna go down to the electronics.
If I could get the
The SKU?
Yeah.
UPC? All right, so we're gonna go to the electronics department and see if we can find this $21 TV. And if we find it, we're gonna go live.
Oh, for sure.
All right, are you looking?
I can't see the UPC of that.
All right, you guys, we can't find the UPC of that $21 TV, but again, if we find it, we're gonna definitely go live. So make sure your notifications are turned on. So hopefully we'll find it. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Is this $8? That's popcorn. That is so cute. Look at this, you guys. They have the Cheetos Popcorn. And it has two favorites together. A first on Angel on the Go. I've never seen this. This is 14 ounces. And it has the Flamin' Hot and the cheddar. Oh, I know who I'm getting this for. I'm getting this for my older son. My oldest son, he loves hot Cheetos. So, Darnell, if you're watching, this is your Christmas gift. Look at this, you guys. So this is the hot Cheetos popcorn. And my husband is showing me more stuff, you guys. This is the cheddar. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna let's go down this aisle right here. My husband just found another item, you guys. Look at this. We're checking the app. This is a LG 43-inch class 4K. What?
You gotta go find it.
This is not real, is it?
It's on the app. Yeah,
this is the Walmart app.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. A smart TV with HDR. I don't know what HDR is. $35. So the first TV we showed you guys. Hold on. I can't talk too loud. I gotta talk softly. The first TV we showed you guys was $21. This one is $35. So if you guys can find this at your local Walmart, make sure you guys scan and let us know below if you're able to find this one or the $21 one. We're gonna go look right now. You ready? Run. Go. Run.
Holy cow, look at that.
Another one?
Yeah.
I was about to stop the video. What?
Smaller one, but still.
What? This is not right.
No problem.
Okay, you guys, hold on. I gotta come over here.
Yeah, walk and talk.
Look at this. This is an on 32-inch class 720. I don't know what all this means, but it's a 720p high definition LED TV. It has this weird number right there in parentheses. $15. It even shows the aisle. So this is aisle K25. So we just showed you guys, this is an Angel on the Go first. We just showed you guys 3 different TVs. One for $15, one for $21, and another one for $35. If you guys find any of these TVs, let us know. We're gonna go look right now. Good luck. Ready? Go, 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 run, go, run.
Alright, unfortunately we were not able to find the TVs from the app.
Boo.
But it's an actual price, it's an actual product. Check your local stores. You can put the name of the product from the video. If you can find it, let us know. Let us know if you found it. We're gonna check a couple other stores, see if any other ones have it, and go check, and hopefully we'll come up with one.
With something like $21, $35, and the $15 price, when you see those prices, you guys have to run.
Right.
So we probably missed it. All right, so you guys can see that there's a lot of TVs missing. Look at that. Blank, 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 all the way down. So hopefully we can go to another Walmart and find a $15, $21, or $35 TV. Again, let us know if you guys score on any of the TVs that we showed you. And good luck. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Bye.